Hey, it's Nick, and I'm here with an unboxing for BOMBFELL, but this time, oh look, it's vertical! You can see all of me, like John Legend style. I've actually never done this before, so in the editing room, I may be screaming right now, but as of right now, I'm having fun. So let's open this box and see what's inside. By the way, BOMBFELL is a monthly subscription box. They send you a bunch of clothes. You pick what you like, you send back what you don't. Let's open this sucker up. See what's inside, vertical style. First in the box is a gray V-neck sweater. Look it! I can just hold it like this. I don't know why I'm so enamored by this vertical stuff, but either way, here's the vertical sweater. Fall is officially almost here, right? Can you be officially almost here? I'm gonna look more fallish, a little button downs, little V-neck sweater on top. Speaking of button down, they also sent a button down. Ooh, it's plaid. It's like cotton, so it's really soft. It's like one of the shirts that you would wear around the house. It's very comfortable and hopefully maybe under a sweater. This is a really nice jacket. It's very soft. I don't know what it's made of. I should probably look. But it seems like super comfy, very Han Solo-y. It's thick, it's heavy, it feels very comfortable. Hopefully it feels as good on as it does in my hand. Next up is I got some long green pants. Filling up that phone screen, son. They're Twill pants. So whatever Twill's made of, that's what these are made of, and they're long. This one's a little more fancy with the neck, and it's definitely thicker. So it's more for actual wearing as a sweater, unlike the last one that was just kind of like a pullover on top of a button down. But this feels really nice, it's heavy, it's good, it's cotton, it's stretchy. So that's all the clothes that I got in the BOMBFELL. Let's open her up and you can see it full length mirror style. Oh yeah. All right, so I've got the pants on and the shirt. The shirt, I have little arms, so I wouldn't judge it by this, but it's very comfortable, very soft. I don't think I can button it all the way. If you didn't have a shirt on, it would probably be less tight, but you know, I do. So the sweater's a little tight. It's a tad snug. I'm feeling a little self-conscious. Let's try the other sweater. Maybe that's less tight. So verdict on the second sweater. Just as tight. Only I look like the dinosaur from Jurassic Park now. I don't think this is probably, okay. See, my problem with these sweaters is now I'm all like face. You have to have like a long neck for this to look good, and it does not. And it's, I don't know if I mentioned this, very tight. The outfit's cute. I mean, I think this would probably look good as an outfit, just like 4 sizes bigger, or on someone 4 times smaller than me. Last thing to try on is the cool jacket. Will I look like Han Solo or Fat Solo? Here's the jacket, and this is a very comfortable jacket. I don't think I look like Han Solo or the fat version, but I think I'm gonna keep this jacket. I think I might like it better, but the pockets are like right in the right spot. Do you like the BOMBFELL box? Give it a shot. You can save yourself the styling fee if you use my link. And more vertical videos that you can't see my arms. Vertical videos to come. I think this is gonna be my new thing, if I can figure out how to edit it. Will I look like Han Solo or Fat Solo? There's a cleverer name than that. Am I gonna look like Han Solo or Han Fatso? Fan Chubzo. Han Fatso. I already did that one.
All right, I think we've drained that well.